If you're a teen looking for an easy glow up, stay right here. I'm about to share some simple habits that can make a big difference in how you look and feel. No expensive products. No crazy routines. Just easy things you can start doing every day. Let's get into it. Number 1, your hair should be clean and kept simple. It honestly makes or breaks how neat you look overall. Wash it on a regular schedule and brush daily. Don't let it sit messy. Stick to easy styles. A bun, a ponytail, or just leaving it open works fine. Go for a shampoo with fewer harsh chemicals. Your hair stays less frizzy and dry that way. And never skip conditioner after you shampoo. Basically, keep it tidy and try not to step out with greasy or messy hair. Even a simple bun looks 10 times neater than open hair that hasn't been brushed since morning. Number 2, wash your face 2 times a day, once in the morning and once before bed. Pick a face wash that actually matches your skin type, not just whatever's trending. Moisturize right after so your skin doesn't end up looking dull or dry. Sunscreen during the day is non-negotiable. One thing to watch out for though, don't overdo the washing. Washing too often can actually throw your skin off balance, making it dry and oily at once. You know that tight, flaky feeling right after you wash too much? That's literally your skin telling you to stop. Number 3, keep a lip balm on you at all times. Chapped lips alone can make your whole face look tired. Reapply 2 or 3 times through the day to keep them soft. Toss a small one in your bag, so it's always there. And try not to lick your lips when they feel dry. It actually makes the problem worse. Number 4, your outfit should be clean and wrinkle-free. You don't need a designer wardrobe. Even basic clothes look great when they're ironed and fresh. A light spritz of perfume helps too. Go for outfits that are comfortable and neat. Skip anything stained or crumpled. Even your most basic kurti or tee looks way more put together when it's freshly ironed versus pulled straight out of the closet. Number 5, don't underestimate your shoes. They're often the first thing people notice, and yes, people do judge based on them. Scuffed or dirty shoes can throw off an otherwise good outfit. Keep them clean and well-maintained. It pulls your whole look together. Think about it. You can be wearing your best outfit, but scuffed up white sneakers will pull the whole thing down instantly. Number 6, nails short and clean, always. You really don't need long nails for your hands to look nice. Short nails actually read as more polished. People pay more attention to hands than you'd think. Trim regularly, wash your hands often, and avoid letting dirt build up underneath or biting them. Honestly, clean short nails look more put together than long acrylics that are chipped or growing out. Number 7, don't skip your teeth. A bright smile and fresh breath go a long way in how confident you come across. Brush twice daily and don't skip the nighttime brush even when you're tired. Keep mints or gum handy for school or college days. Nobody's going to say it to your face, but fresh breath makes people way more comfortable talking close to you. Number 8, stay hydrated and keep your hands off your face. Drinking enough water keeps your skin looking alive instead of dull, and it helps with breakouts too. Aim for around 8 glasses a day. Also, try to stop touching your face throughout the day. It spreads bacteria more than people realize. Think about everything your hands touch in a day. Your phone, your desk, doorknobs, then straight to your face. Number 9, go light on makeup. Less is genuinely more here. A bit of mascara, some lip balm, maybe a BB cream, that's plenty for an everyday fresh look. Save the heavier makeup for special occasions, not your regular school or college day. That natural, no makeup look people always compliment, it's usually just these 3 things, nothing fancy. Number 10, stand tall and smile. Confidence alone changes how put together you look. Good posture plus a genuine smile makes you instantly seem more neat and attractive, even before anyone notices anything else. You've probably seen that one girl who isn't even wearing makeup, but still looks confident just because of how she carries herself. At the end of the day, looking clean and fresh was never about how much you spend. It comes down to small habits you repeat consistently. Try these out and you'll notice the difference yourself. If this helped you, hit subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.